how to use 2SIM in iPhone 15. If you want to use 2 SIM card on iPhone 15, I'm assuming one is already a physical SIM card that you have got, right? Now, in some cases, maybe on China models, iPhone will also allow you to have 2 physical SIM card, but normally it's just a single physical SIM card. And the other one, what you have to do is just simply go to settings. And once you go to settings, this is the kind of interface you will see. You'll find an option called Cellular. From Cellular, if you scroll, you'll find an option called Add eSIM. So this can be achieved with a feature known as eSIM. So you can tap on Add eSIM option right over here. And once you tap on the Add eSIM option, you'll be able to set up an eSIM using a QR code and whatever else it is that you prefer, or you can also transfer from your previous iPhone. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.